Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 car humidifiers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Car Air Humidifier. Specifications. Brand name, no N name _ null. Origin, CN origin. Power mode, USB. Rated power, 2 watts. Certification, CE. The item number 2 is Basis Car Air Freshener. Specifications. Brand name, Basis. Power, W, 5 watts. Voltage, V, 12 volts. Noise, 36 dB 45 dB. Power type, USB. Installation, USB. Humidifying capacity, 300 ml/H. Capacity, 300 milliliters. Size, 15.25 cm x 7 cm. Material, aluminum alloy. Weight, 340 grams. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Inc. Electric Aroma Diffuser. Specifications. Brand name, Inc. Capacity, 1 liter. Power, W, 12 watts. Voltage, V, 24 volts. Application, 11 to 20. Classification, humidification. Power type, A. C source. Installation, USB. Mist output, gallon/day, 35 milliliters/H. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.